Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your display name in the Bigo Live application. Whether you want a new username to correct a typo or just refresh your profile identity, changing your name makes your profile more personal and helps people recognize you easily. So let's dive in. First of all, launch open the Bigo Live application on your smartphone and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Bigo Live, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon or the Me button. Once you open up your profile, go ahead and tap on your avatar right above your ID at the top. This will now take you to this section where you need to tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. This will take you to Edit section, scroll down from the Edit section to Basic Information and tap on the Name option. Now, go ahead and erase the current ID or the name and write down a new name you want to change to. After typing down the name, click on Save at the top right. And there you have successfully changed your display name on Bigo Live account. Make sure that the name follows Bigo's naming rules. Make sure to avoid special characters or offensive words. And once you are done, you will see the new name reflected in your profile right away. You can change your nickname anytime, but if you want to change your Bigo ID, that might require contacting Bigo's customer support. And that's how you successfully learn how you can change your name on Bigo Live in just a few steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.